We extend our sincere appreciation to all South Africans who participated in the 30th of June March. We thank everyone who exercised discipline, respected the law, and demonstrated peacefully in support of accountability, proper immigration management, and the rule of law. Your conduct, South Africans, showed that citizens can raise legitimate concerns in a responsible and peaceful manner. We also condemn any threats of violence directed at March and March leader, our sister Jacinta Ngobese Zuma. Such intimidation has no place in a constitutional democracy and must be met with the full force of the law. We are also concerned by public statements alleging attempts to infiltrate the March and March movement. We condemn any attempt by any organization, political party, or organ of state to infiltrate, divide, or undermine the movement. March and March must remain an independent, peaceful, and people-led initiative. We note government's announcement that 53,449 undocumented foreign nationals have been repatriated and deported since the 12th of June. This figure highlights the scale of the undocumented migration challenge facing South Africa and reinforces the need for stronger enforcement of immigration laws. We further call on the impeachment committee to carry out its work independently, impartially, and without fear, favor, or political bias. The South African public deserves a process that is transparent, credible, and guided solely by the facts and the law. We also reiterate our call for the long-awaited arrest of Morgan Maumela. Justice must be applied equally and without exception, regardless of an individual's family connections or political affiliations. No one should be above the law. The party will roll out party merchandise, t-shirts, gazebos, and all other party machinery in the next week. The national officials have been hard at work to enhance the party's growth and election prospects. The party has shown massive growth in our branches, and our membership portal shows amazing growth in the membership, particularly in Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Gauteng, and KZN. Lastly, comrades, we are happy to welcome new members from many political parties here today. We will call them Thank you very much. Thank you very much, comrades. We are not done as yet. Please be seated, comrades. We are not done. We are going to announce a few changes in the leadership here in KZN, in KwaZulu-Natal. Today, we are very proud as the MK Party, a party which has always been characterized as umlilo wamaphepha since its inception. We have never experienced from a practical point of view that characterization. If anything, we've always been experiencing growth every day. While other parties are suffering, and while in other parties there's a moria of comrades who are leaving, in the MK Party we are always welcoming new members every day. We're welcoming new members because this is the only alternative voice of the left. This is the only remaining voice of the voiceless here in South Africa. Today, we wish to say, comrades, and to announce to South Africans, to the people of KwaZulu-Natal, to the membership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, that we are officially announcing Umama Uzandile Gumede as the deputy convener of KZN. We welcome you, Ma. We are giving you a very warm reception because you have unquestionable credentials in the politics of KwaZulu-Natal and in the politics of South Africa. We know that you are coming with a very positive paradigm shift. You are coming with a very positive contribution in the MK party. Let's join our hands together in building this strong ship of the left. We are also going to read out the names of other comrades who are joining us today. And as I read them, may they stand up one by one and wave their hands. Today, we welcome Umam Mafutwane, Comrade Mafutwane. We also welcome Comrade Duduzile Khuzwayo. We also welcome Comrade Mondli Mthembu. We also welcome Comrade Dr. Siphelele Jiyane. We also welcome Comrade Happy Mkhize. We also welcome Comrade Nokufika Biela. We also welcome Comrade Mponi Nondunga. We also welcome Comrade Mxolisi Dlamini. We also welcome Comrade Chibane or Chibane. Oh yes. Thank you very much. We also welcome Comrade Nonkululeko Tabete. We also welcome Comrade Stanley Monsani. We also welcome Comrade Philip Stolle. And we welcome the man of God. Oh, what a blessing. Mxolisi Phakathi. Thank you very much, Somlomo. I hand it over to you.